Gereri tutigarite ime kaunti ya Nyamira nigo ritukuria lero ekiombe kia International Solidarity Foundation egobotana kirikia Muungano Gender Forum ya nyarkoba bigokora gotubiko butwara umuyiga bwa maigeria gose egekarukia maigerio igoro yogosarwa kwa mwana omunyaruka kolengana ne chingwana chiabo nigo ogosarwa kwa mwana omunyaruka kogendete gose ko iriremeria kubwa mono as chinse mochagusi na nigo baboliri ababwatani bonzi gwesokia na gosegetana eliko gokora omo chando yobwa bugosarwa ku mwana omunyaruka waigo nigo baboliri abagambi bebinyoro ne school korwa obosemi igoro yobobe bugosara omwana omunyaruka roboti ururu galingwa no molikeito Fatgad Gesemba.
Ekaunti ya Nyamira na boigo ekaunti ya Kisii na kaunti isano kirebosyo ase bikorwa byogosara omwana omuiseke abwase obotuki bokwenekia nigo omubaro monene ogwikiranirwa amo n'abanyagitari ekiombe kya International Solidarity Foundation bakubwatirana na Muungano Gender Forum amo nebyombe binde ebinge ebyo bitari ebye serikali nigo batwarire amaigerio igoro yogochya kurwania obobe obwo ase chikaunti echibere Irenius Kombe no mu country director OISF Kenya na mange igoro ya maigerio ayaiga.
My name is Irenius Kombe. I work with ISF based in Nairobi, and this week we've been around. We actually documenting the impact that we've made in the communities. We are all focused and really out to work together to end this vice, and as we celebrate this day, zero tolerance for FGM 2025. I'm really looking forward to the concerted efforts from every one of us so that together we can eradicate this vice that is quite harmful to our girls.
Ase amaigerio ayoboigo nigo rishirika eriga yatarirwa na babwatani babo abanene korwa sense ya Finland abona barobwo bairire chika kecho na kogikeria ebikorwa byogosara omunyaruka asorogongo uroiga rwagusi.
I'm Sara Manelius, work as communications manager for ISF based in Helsinki, Finland. And our role is just to try and tell people about the hard work that all of you do here.
Hugo tarora engenjo endeyonsi yokorwania ebikorwa binkabuna ebiga ase binyoro noro omuchando omonene ase chikaunti echiga ibere buna akwerera omo project manager inse yekiombe kya Manka Art Grace Murungi.
Sometimes our attitude towards FGM is it's not so bad. That is how mostly we feel, and that is why we are really not able to bring to fruition our fight against FGM. So we really need to ensure that we have the fight against FGM at our hearts. We go to schools, we feel like, let's talk about rape and defilement and our wife beating. FGM is not that important. So we really need to stamp our feet.
Ense moyende chikanisa chiskuru naboigo asemeyega yemisangirikano ao yabanto nigo kuboria kwa batu kirwe bakwanire igoro yobobe bwosara omunyaruka.
What are the consequences? Then if now every individual in Kisii and Nyamira, Abagusi community, another community who are practicing FGM card can be reached with this information, then creating awareness and advocacy, it also changes people's minds. I agree, we need to reach schools, and in the Ministry of Health, we also have school health programs. I know it's not very, very effective because at times we lack funds to move around, but the few schools we reach, we are able to give that information. And it's not only in primary, we need to reach all levels of education, even those who have already been cut, when they give back so that they don't also take their children for the cut.
Chingaki echecho baganirie amachiko amatingu kobekwa na kuimukiriwa igetambukiro asonde bwenzi uranyorekane ga gwikirania egekorwa ekeiga.
So we need to do a lot right from the policy, then strengthening our institutions. We were just talking here about professionals aiding the vice. That is in the Ministry of Health. Then you ask yourself, what is the Ministry of Labor doing? The enforcement agencies. Then when you come to community engagement, are we doing the most in terms of sensitization? Because we need to have the entire community abandoning having a collective decision to abandon the vice, then we can say that we're actually making the right step forward.
Kingo ripoti ya Getembe kurwase bunge eyeiga ya West Mugirange gutuka imeye kaunti ya Nyamira nje Fatigadi Gisemba.